Hello everyone, I'm Gagan and I'm so excited to share an amazing product information that is Calgon Ageless Bath. I will discuss features, benefits, my personal experience, and price comparison in India. Calgon is a gel-based body wash for women. If I talk about quantity, it comes in 453 grams, that is 16 ounce. It is suitable for normal skin type. It gives radiant looking skin in just one bath. Very relaxing, refreshing, and gives feminine fragrance. It is actually a Vita Pearl technology with pearl powder, vitamin E, collagen that provides moisture to the skin. It removes dullness immediately and gives brightened and glowing skin. Let's jump to how to use it. Just add few pearls into lukewarm water. It will dissolve automatically and it will give shine to your bathing water. It is required to use shower gel or soap along. Calgon shower gel gives soft and smooth skin. It is huge in quantity that lasts long for good months depending upon usage. I have been using it and I really recommend this product to my friends and family. In fact, gifting is an amazing option. If I check and compare price in India, it's quite cheap on Amazon, approximately rupees 1300, comparing other sites where price range starts from rupees 2000. So this is the end of the video. So friends, if you like my video, kindly hit like and subscribe button below. And for any queries, please post your comments. And if you wish to buy, you can check the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.